Hello and welcome to the Renaissance Hotel London Heathrow. This is a standard room. So you have a lovely, lovely big bed. Ooh, we've got some charging points next to the bed, a USB and a A and C, which is perfect because I actually need both. And a lovely notepad and pen all for me. Drawer. Let's see what's in the drawer. Oh, just your standard Bibles. What's soft clothes? We have tea and coffee facilities, glass, kettle, a lovely fridge. You actually also get 2 bottles of water, which I have just stuck in the fridge because well, this fridge is a pain to open, so they get cold, the other ones I've brought with me. So that's really cool. I do like having a wee fridge in the room. I've got a storage facility here for my luggage, and you could also store things down here. If you had big suitcases because you were going on a long haul flight, there's lots of storage along here. A recyclable bin, and we have a wee desk with a wee seat, which looks quite comfortable. And then we have a plug point and I'm assuming that's room service. And then we have this cool wee seat, which is lovely. I'll enjoy that. And let me see, is there plug points at this side of the bed? No, not that it bothers me. Oh, there are. No, there's not. So you've just got this big table, which is probably quite handy for that seat. As this is a standard view, the view is literally out the front of the hotel and across the road. And then we have a wardrobe. And I've just hung my jacket up in the wardrobe. We have an ironing board and an iron and a safe, which is quite handy. And then some hanging space and some storage up here. And then we have the bathroom, which looks compact but nice. It has some products, some towels, and a lovely walk-in shower. And there's the wee shower head, which looks quite good. And I think I've shown you everything. Yes, looking forward. Oh, let's test the bed, shall we? Yes, this feels very comfortable indeed. So, thank you for watching my room tour. There is also a hairdryer just down here next to the window. Just there, so bear that in mind. And also, what I hadn't noticed is that in the shower there are 2 heads. There is this and that one. Having now slept here overnight, I have to say I had a really, really good night's sleep. I certainly didn't hear a lot of noise, bearing in mind it's an airport hotel, so people are coming and going at all times of the day. It's very, very comfortable and I've really enjoyed my sleep.